Have you ever felt like there's an invisible wall between you and the wealth you desire? You work 60 hours a week, you cut out the lattes, you read the finance books, and for a moment it works. Your savings account hits a new high. But then, almost like magic, something happens. The transmission in your car gives out, your tax bill is higher than expected, or you suddenly feel an overwhelming urge to blow that extra cash on a well-deserved vacation. Within a month, you are right back to your usual balance. This isn't bad luck, and it isn't the economy. It's your financial thermostat. Think about the thermostat in your house. If you set it to 70 degrees and a cold comes in, the heater kicks on to bring the room back to 70. If it gets too hot, the AC kicks on to cool it down. Your mind does the same with money. If you are programmed for broke, your mind treats wealth like it's too hot. It feels uncomfortable, scary, and not like you. So your subconscious cools you down by causing you to overspend or self-sabotage until you are back at your comfortable $500 or $2,000 limit. Where did this setting come from? Between the ages of 0 and 7, your brain is in a theta wave state. It's essentially a giant sponge. You didn't have a conscious filter to say that's not true. So when you saw your parents arguing over the electric bill or heard your mom say, "We aren't those kinds of people," your brain recorded that as an absolute law. You were programmed to believe that money is scarce, stressful, or only for lucky people. You are currently operating on a software update from 1990 that was designed to keep you small and safe, not wealthy and free. The reason why 70% of lottery winners go bankrupt within a few years is because their bank account changed, but their identity didn't. They were broke people with money. To move into true wealth, you have to close the gap between who you are and who you want to be. If you see yourself as a struggling artist or a hard-working blue-collar guy, your subconscious will fight any amount of money that threatens that identity. It would rather you be broke and right about who you are than rich and confused. So, how do we fix it? You can't just think positive. You have to override the hardware. This starts with awareness. This week, I want you to track every time you say or think a broke sentence. Things like, "I can't afford that," or "That's too expensive." Every time you say those words, you are clicking the lock button on your current thermostat setting. In our next video, I'm going to show you the specific neuro-linguistic shifts to start turning that dial up without triggering your internal alarm system. This is just the beginning. We have 10 videos planned that will take you from the subconscious reasons you're broke to the literal physics of success. If you want to change your life in record time, you need to be here for every single one. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's reset your thermostat together.